Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Infiniti G37 front bumper. First, open your hood and identify the plastic clips and 10mm bolts along the top edge of the bumper. Carefully use a flathead screwdriver or a trim tool to pop out the center of the plastic clips, then remove the entire clip. Next, use a 10mm socket to loosen and remove any bolts holding the bumper to the radiator support. Now, turn your front wheels to gain better access to the fender liner. You'll find several clips and 10mm bolts securing the bumper within the wheel well. Remove these fasteners on both sides. Then, move underneath the car. There are typically around 10mm bolts running along the entire bottom edge of the bumper, connecting it to the undercarriage. Remove all of these. With the undercarriage fasteners removed, gently pull back the fender liner on each side. This will expose a hidden 10mm bolt that secures the bumper to the side bracket. Remove this bolt on both the driver and passenger sides. Before fully detaching, carefully reach in and disconnect any electrical connectors for fog lights or parking sensors. These are usually simple clips. With all fasteners and electrical connections removed, the bumper is ready to come off. Starting from one side, gently pull the bumper away from the vehicle. It should release from any remaining clips along the sides. Support the bumper as you pull it free to prevent it from falling. Once completely detached, carefully set it aside in a safe place to avoid scratches or damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.